and ant. B is for ball and bat. C is for cat and cap. D is for dog and drum. E is for egg and ear. F is for fish and fan. G is for goat and glue. H is for hat and hen. I is for ink and igloo. J is for jam and jug. K is for kite and key. L is for leaf and log. M is for moon and mug. N is for net and nest. O is for owl and ox. P is for pen and pot. Q is for queen and quilt. R is for rat and rug. S is for sun and sock. T is for top and top. U is for umbrella and up. V is for van and vest. W is for wet and wig. X is for x-ray and box. Y is for yarn and yawn. Z is for zebra and zip.